We're on site today, North Brisbane, pouring at Brendale a Shotcrete embankment using SteelX 525. The dosage is 20 kilos a cubic metre and replacing heavy mesh in this embankment project. It's getting pumped obviously. The slump is only 70 slump, so even at very low slumps, SteelX pumps really without any issue at all. And there hasn't been a single ball that's dropped out of this truck. The reducer comes straight into a 50mm line round the corner here. So we'll just come up and have a look at the concrete itself. As you'll see, hopefully there's a little bit left in this truck and we'll just see what's coming out. But it's very low slump. Here he comes, just about to drop down the chute now. Just running at a 70 slump with a SteelX dosage of 20 kilos a cubic metre, and as you'll see, he's just repositioning his platform there, but as you'll see, it pumps very easily. So if you've got a Shotcrete job where you want to reduce crack widths or replace reinforcing, SteelX is a fantastic option. Pumps and sprays very well. I'm Ruben Ramsey. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us.